Hi guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about hidden fortune of €2 coin from Germany worth millions. Introduction. Greetings, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to unravel the mystery behind a particular German €2 coin from the year 2002. Could it be hiding a fortune in plain sight? Let's find out. Behold, the €2 coin from Germany, minted in the year 2002. On the surface, it may seem like just another coin, but looks can be deceiving. Rarity. What makes this coin stand out is its rarity. While millions were minted, certain variations and mint marks can elevate its value significantly. Check for any unique characteristics on both sides of the coin, as they could be the key to unlocking its hidden worth. Mint marks. One crucial factor to consider is the mint mark. Different German mints produce these coins, and some variations are more scarce than others. A particular mint mark might just be the ticket to a coin worth far more than its face value. Historical context. To understand the potential value, it's essential to grasp the historical context. The 2002 €2 coin marked the introduction of the euro currency in Germany, making it a piece of numismatic history. Collectors often seek coins from significant moments like this. Market trends. As with any collectible, the market plays a vital role. Keep an eye on recent sales and auctions to gauge the current demand for this specific coin. Trends can change, and the value may surprise you. Condition matters. A well-preserved coin will naturally fetch a higher value. If you have one in mint condition, you might be holding on to something truly valuable. Conclusion. In conclusion, while not every €2 coin from 2002 is worth millions, some variations and conditions can indeed turn this ordinary coin into a hidden treasure. So, check your coin jar, sift through your collection, and who knows, you might be in possession of a numismatic gem. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of coins, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing insights. Until next time, happy collecting!